Today, I have a quick tip on how to use Trello to manage projects. Most of us, when we're using Trello, we're using it to manage a lot of tasks. And today, I'm going to show you how to go from tasks to projects pretty easily. So, I have an example Trello board here. And as you can see, I have to dos on my list. And if you'll notice, I have a very large to do called Clean the Basement. It that has a lot of other things underneath it. So it actually could be considered a project instead of just a task. So what I would do is move it over to the projects board, keep it there, and then I would look into my list to see if there's anything there that actually falls into that project. So as you can see, we've got get boxes and hire a dumpster. Those two all fall under the project of clean the basement. So to keep track of those, what I can do is actually click on clean the basement, open it up, go ahead over here to where it says attachment, click that, then Trello, and what it does is it pulls up all the different Trello cards or boards that I have. So if I wanted to add hire a dumpster, I could go ahead and start to type hire a dumpster. And here it is. That has now added that card to my Trello board. I could also go ahead and add the get boxes, same way. Attachment, Trello, I'll type boxes and get boxes right there, and it attaches it right to the card. When I go ahead and close this, you'll notice that up here it shows the clean basement card now has two additional cards to it, but get boxes and hire the dumpster are here on their own. What that allows me to do is go ahead and click on hire a dumpster, go ahead, give it a due date, save that, even move this card. So if I wanted to move this card to a weekly to-do board, let's say I want to do it next Monday, I could go ahead and move it off of this board. It goes onto that other board, but it remains in my project list so that I can keep track of it. I hope this has been helpful and look forward to a few more Trello training tips.